Hi, it's Pyrosach. Got a video here for the Tesco's fireworks leaflet. This is their supermarket fireworks for 2024 for Bonfire Night and New Year's. Looks the same as last year. I don't think there's been any changes to the pricing or the products on display. Let's have a look inside. Firstly, you've got the sparklers, so you've got £1 for the pack of 5, and then you've also got the star wand shaped 3-pack for £1.50. Then we've got the rainbow fountain, that's a low noise fountain, 1 minute duration, that's £8. Here we've got the bright lights fountain pack, so there's 5 premium low noise fountains in here, total duration of 4 minutes and 40 seconds, that's £30. And here we've got the mix and match, so it's any 3 for £20 or £8 each. So you've got the carnival selection box, which has got 12 items, or you've got the gala fountain, which is a low noise fountain, 1 minute and 15-second duration, or you've got the low noise astro rockets pack of 5. And then here we've got the mix and match 2 for £25, which has got the Northern Light selection box, which is 15 items, medium noise. Or you've got the Aurora multi-shot cake, which is a 16-shot cake, 20-second duration. And then in the 2 for £35, you've got the Sky Fire selection box. It's got 16 items. It's a high noise selection box. And you've got the Flame multi-shot cake, which is a 22-shot cake, 25-second duration. That's in the 2 for £35 as well. All these are £25 each. And then finally, you've got the Midnight Mania selection box. This is in the 2 for £45 or £35 each. There's 17 items in total in their high noise selection box. And you've got the Showstopper multi-shot cake, which is a 30-shot fanned cake, 30-second duration. Again, 2 for £45 or £35 each. And then have a look at the back. So here's some of their larger items. So they've got the Grand Finale single ignition box. That's the 100-shot cake, 1 minute 15-second duration, £55. And here you've got the Power Force Barrage pack. It's a total of 8 cakes in here, 198 shots in total, and a 3 minutes and 25-second duration. That's £120. And then here we've got the largest of the barrages. It's the Aftershock single ignition, 120 shots, 1 minute duration. So in this mix and match you've got £75 each, or 2 for £120. And that's coupled with the high voltage selection pack. So this is their biggest selection box, 15 items, 8 minute duration, high noise box. Again, £75 or 2 for £120. And then finally you've got the Element shot tubes, 4 items in there for £5. Or you've got the Hypersonic rockets and shot tube pack. So there's 18 items in here, 12 rockets and 6 shot tubes, and that's £20. And that's everything at Tesco. Looks to be the same as last year. Here's the list of items. Thank you very much.